I just found on my front porch. It's my book. I'm going to do the unboxing right now. Oh, yikes. Here it is. The Young Reader, a game plan for parents to teach their little ones how to read and problem solve by Margaret Craig. That's me. I'm very excited. This book turned out to be just the size that I wanted. And let me take this moment to thank Book Launchers. Book Launchers helped me write this book, and without them, it would not exist. And I'm really pleased with everything they did. Look at the back. There's my picture. I'm so excited. Anyway, thank you. I hope many people find this book helpful.